Welcome to autobotsrock.com. Today we are so pleased to introduce you QniTubeAction software which can support you in increasing views, likes, comments, subscribers for your videos on YouTube automatically. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to rank your videos on YouTube automatically with our software QniTubeAction. After installing the software, you log in with provided username and password, and you will see the interface here. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running any function, so please refer to the video of YouTube Billboard tutorial how to increase YouTube views with our software from the second 48 to the minute 10:16. I will post link of this video in the description box. After finishing all basic settings, now you will scroll to view video section. You will select yes at this section. Next, move to the search data section. Click on this icon data. This is Database Manager dialog box. You click on this icon, select Add Group, and type the group name here. For example, I will type tutorial. Then click OK. Select this tutorial group. Then click on this icon, select Add Item. There are three fields here. First one, keywords, is keyword that you want to search on YouTube. The second one, text click, is title of video, and the software will fill the ranking automatically. For example, this is the video that I want to watch. Then I will type the keyword to search here. For example, for a bank of words and a text click. You can fill with a part or the title of video. Remember to remove the icon because the software cannot recognize the icon. So now I will take a part of this title, copy, and then paste it into the text click field. Then click OK. Similarly, you can add more keyword and text click here. For example, keyword Quora upvote and downvote. And the text like the same, a part of title. For example, with the keyword Quora report. Then close the dialog box. As search data, you select the group tutorial. Finally, you click OK. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software search keywords and watch your video on YouTube.
Như vậy là mình đã hoàn thành xong hướng dẫn cách SEO từ khóa cho video YouTube. Tăng lượt xem YouTube.
These demonstrated above are instructions on how to rank your videos on YouTube automatically with our software QniTubeAction. You can visit autobotswap.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.